on. This fire no be shiri.
Now one Sunday long
Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you for your continued support. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Do not forget to turn on the bell. You get to know when we upload new video. To our old members, thank you. God bless you. To our new one, welcome on board. The video you just watched is the explosion of tanker in Lagos State. The news in details. A tanker loaded with premium motor spirit has on Thursday been engulfed by fire along the Apapa-OSHODI expressway in Lagos. It's gathered that the driver was conveying the petrol-laden truck to a destination in the state when he suddenly lost control of the vehicle, causing the truck to overturn around 9:30 a.m. Immediately the truck overturned, it was learned that the petrol spilled on the road and reportedly caused the explosion on the bridge in the Iyanasolo area of OSHODI, Lagos State. To escape unhurt, commuters and business owners scrambled from the scene of the incident as the area went up in flames. The Director General, Lagos State Management Agency, Olufemi Oke, said the fire incident occurred after the body of the truck ditched from the head, aiding that emergency responders had stormed the scene of the incident to salvage the situation. He said the agency has activated its emergency response plan after a fuel tanker caught fire after the body ditched from the vehicle's head. Responders are on the scene to extinguish the fire. Motorists are to use alternative routes. Further updates will be communicated. Firefighters were at the scene of the incident and battling the fire as of the time of filing this report. Officials of the Lagos State Traffic Management Authorities were also on the ground, diverting vehicles to alternative route. Okay, guys. This happened this morning. Please, I would urge us to share this video to alert people, that are coming through that route. And also, sharing this video is going to aid, you to know if your loved ones are safe. We know what it is to witness an explosion. It has happened a lot of times in Lagos and other places, but Lagos State is becoming so rampant, and it is always time when people are on the road, when the road is so busy. Please, guys, let us always be alert and always endeavor to check people around us, because you can even see a building, so you can watch it, a building so close, to the, to that road. And also, oh my goodness, I pray that people are safe. Please share this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and keep the bell on. I will see you on my next video.